Benefits of avocado oil with source. Benefits: lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, detoxes your body, helps fight and prevent cancer, treats skin damage and irritations, fights wrinkles, helps treat periodontal disease, fuller, faster growing hair, stimulates weight loss, boosts nutrient absorption. Now foods, solutions, avocado oil review. Description: 100% pure moisturizing oil. Supports skin elasticity. Nutrient-rich/hydrating. Expeller-Pressed and Hexane-Free. Suggested use: 100% pure avocado oil can be used as a scalp or skin conditioner, or as an emollient. Also makes a soothing massage oil. Other ingredients: 100% avocado oil. Warnings: now does not test on animals. Please recycle. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.